I don't know why the mirror and the camera are so different. Hi y'all, welcome to my channel. My name is Ann and today I have a Stitch Fix box. So let's get right into it and see what they sent me. I think I previewed most of these items, and so, oh, kind of small. You always get an envelope to send things back that you don't want. I always give you a note and an invoice that explains how much everything is and all about the discount, what it would be and everything. And then I've got these two bundles. Let me talk here about Stitchfix Freestyle. So I'll put a little bit about that in the description. But let me get in here and let's see what they sent me. Let me see who my stylist is. I've had Scott. I think I've had Scott. Maybe that was one of them. I have Sarah. Wow, I've get so many of these I don't remember who's who. They give you suggestions for outfits and they put these together for you. But let's start off with, this is the Vero Moda Carson knit jacket. And, ooh, okay. That's good. Okay. It's really soft. It snaps open. It has pockets in the front. It reminds me of what we used to call, when I was a little girl, a car coat. Do you remember those? But it's cute. It's not super heavy, so it's probably pretty good for most Texas winters. Also got some jewelry. I did not pick this out. What is this? Oh, these are cute. These are Nakamal. I've gotten this before. Handmade with love. Those are pretty. I like those a lot. It comes with its own little bag. Oh, and those are Gramercy Stone Drop earrings. So next we have the Fortune and Ivy Emile button down ruched sleeve knit top. Okay, here's my only thoughts about this. I have gotten so many tops in this kind of purpley eggplant. It does have the ruched sleeve. It's got buttons on both sides. It's cute. This is the Fun to Fun Berkeley collared blouse. All right, this is cute. I believe it's navy with little, they're tan or pink. My lighting in here is not the best, but this is cute. I think it's not see-through, but it's pretty thin. And then last, I got some more jeans. These are the Cut from the Cloth Kate Boyfriend high-rise distressed jeans. I would love some boyfriend jeans, but I just can't find any that I like. I love that they're high-rise. I like that there's just a little bit of distressing. The hem is cuffed. A little distressing on each side. Nothing in the back. So, okay, that's it. Let me go try these on and let's see what we think. Okay, this is the little jacket, and this is Vero Moda Carson knit jacket in off-white, size small, and it is $58. I think it's cute. The sleeves are long. It is in the back. Snap it. I'll have to watch it back. I don't know. I think it's a cute coat. I just don't know if I love it for me. But here are the Cut from the Cloth jeans, the boyfriend jeans. I like them. I think they're cute. They're comfortable. I like the amount of distressing. They're cute. Here's the back. And then this is the top. And it's cute too. Tucked it in, let me show you the untucked version. Very cute. The ruched sleeves and the buttons on either side. I think they're cute. Okay, I will be back with that other blouse. So, see you in a minute. I don't think I told you that that other top was Fortune and Ivy Emile button-down ruched sleeve, dark purple, size small. I know I didn't tell you any prices, so let me tell you the prices really quick. The drop earrings, which I'll show you in a minute, are $38. The jacket is $58. The purple top that I just took off is $42. That's not bad. This one is $44. That's not bad. And the jeans are $88. I think this is a pretty top. I do. I think it's can be dressy if you want it to. The little polka dots are white. They're little tan circles surrounded in white. She suggested pairing it with these little boyfriend jeans, which I think is fine, but I also think, of course, this could be dressed up. It'd be cute with khaki pants or dressy jeans. Cute belt, one of those little belts that I got that I showed y'all in my favorites. But it's not a button down, it just stops there. Let me show you the length. It's just, I think it's cute. I like it, and it's not a bad price. So I'm not trying the earrings on because I'm not sure I'm gonna keep them. And so I hate to do that if I'm not. I think they are so cute though, and they really are right up my alley, so I don't know why I wouldn't keep them, but I'll give them a second look. But I'll show them to you closer up when we're doing the wrap up. So I'll see you in a minute. Okay. Honestly, I think the only thing that really is tempting me are the earrings. Let me show you a close-up in just a second. The cut from the cloth jeans, $88. I think they're cute. I think I'm just gonna tell them no more jeans for a while. I'm not loving anything. I mean, I do like the style, but I think this is pretty. The blouse is pretty. Do I just absolutely love it? No, I don't. But I do think it's pretty, and it'd be pretty with white pants, it'd be pretty with khaki pants, pretty with a jacket, a khaki jacket, or with just jeans. This one, I think it's cute. I thought it was cuter on, but I'll have to show you sometime how many tops I've gotten from my boxes in some sort of purple shade. And so I won't do this. This, I just don't think it did anything for me. These little stone drop earrings, really cute. Right up my alley. Let me show you. Close. Focus, focus, focus. And they're $38, and that's not bad. I've got the style pass, so I don't get the $20 off, but which I love the style pass. I watch these things back and I either really like something I didn't think I would like, or I don't like something that I thought I would like. I don't know why the mirror and the camera are so different, but I believe in the camera. So anyway, that is it for this fix. Just looking, and this is fix number 18 for me, so I haven't been doing it too long. But anyway, let me know what you think. I will see you next time. Thanks for watching, y'all. Bye bye.